Hi, my package is here, my handmade book bag by Christopher Neiman, and let's see what we have. This is so exciting. This beautiful bag it comes in, and let's see. Oh, this is beautiful. So soft. Beautiful handles. Zipper pockets inside. I'm Christopher Neiman. Please go to his website. And another zipper pocket on this side. And we also have a strap for a crossbody. This is my second Christopher Neiman bag. They're beautiful. And I would suggest for you to go to his website and look and see what he makes.